So this is Rohit from IndieTip, and I'm going to lead you through the creation of an Orcsnet account. So first, open a web browser on a laptop computer and go to orcsnet.com. That's orcsnet.com. As at this site, you will see a video followed by a sign up form. So first, you need to choose an account name. This account name should just be some version of your name as an individual or as a business. You cannot change this name later. So I'm going to choose, I'm just going to make up a name like test005. Let's see if that works. And when you click the green button, you're going to get a sign up link at an email address that you provide. This doesn't need to be the email address that you're going to use to manage the account. You can change it later, but it will be set as your default communication address unless you do change it. So I'm entering my email address and I'm clicking Get Sign Up Link. If the username is not available, then the system will tell you, so you can't use someone else's name and they can't use yours. So for this demo, I just have to change 5 to 6. And I see the message, thank you, please check your email to continue. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my mailbox. And when I look inside my mailbox, I see this sign up email. It's got one button. Click that button. And this button's going to take you to a different application called dashboard.orcsnet.com. And you see a message that says, please connect a Facebook or a Google account to continue. So I'm going to explain why we ask for that. The reason we do this is so that you don't have to choose a password to access your Orcsnet account. Facebook and Google are only used to replace the username and password. We do not read any of your information. We don't look at your friends list. We certainly don't post. And we don't even care whether that account is attached to your employers in case you're managing a corporate account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Google. And now I'm in, and this is the dashboard. This is what you see when you first log in. On the left, there's a menu, which I'll discuss later. And the screen you're on right now is the settings screen. You're first asked to identify yourself. If you're an organization or if you're representing an organization, you will enter that information in this form. If you're an individual, you need to provide your name, your mailing address, and your PAN. So I'm going to go ahead and type this information in. I'm not going to type my actual mailing address here, but this is where your address would go. You do need to provide the state where you reside and do business out of, because we will invoice you according to that state. This is where you would provide your actual PAN number. I'm going to type in a fake PAN for the purposes of this demo. And you need to send us a proof. So you upload your file and then you click proceed. Please note you cannot change these details later. Once you click that button, you will see the agreement that you're getting into with us. Your name appears on top. And if you scroll down a bit, you should read this agreement and make sure that you understand it and agree to it. I want to point out the agency fee in section 3, which is fixed at 5% of the royalties paid. And once you read the entire agreement, you will come and click this accept button at the bottom. Congratulations, you're now a customer. You see a new form now. You have some optional name and phone number to enter over here, which I'm going to skip past. Very important, you do need to provide us a bank account. Now, if you're just playing around and you want to look at the dashboards, then you can skip this part. But if you're going to use the service, then you need to tell us how to pay you. So I'm going to enter some more fake information. And then you click Save. The final section is actually important. You need to tell us how you want to represent yourself to your audience. So this is where your brand name will go. the name under which you do business. So I'm going to be boring and type Orcsnet demo, but you will type your brand name over here. And we require a logo to show in your plugins. You can grab it from your website or from your YouTube channel, or you can upload it from your hard drive. I'm going to go ahead and grab the logo from my website. And there it is, and I'm going to click save. And that's it. Now you're set up.